In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Lovable project to Cursor AI. We'll walk through the process from inside Lovable, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along without missing anything. If you're moving a project over so you can continue building or editing it in Cursor AI, this is the path you'll use. First, go to Lovable and open your project's dashboard. This is where all of your available projects are stored, so it's the starting point for the transfer. Once you're there, click on All Projects. This helps you make sure you're viewing the full list instead of a filtered or limited view. If you have multiple projects, take a moment here to confirm you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Next, open the project you want to transfer. Make sure you're inside the actual project workspace and not just viewing the dashboard. That's important because the settings you need are tied to the individual project itself. After the project opens, go to the top left corner and click on the drop-down button. This menu gives you access to project-level options, including the settings area where the transfer controls are located. From that drop-down, click on Settings. This will take you into the configuration area for the project. If you're ever looking for connection, domain, or transfer options in Lovable, this is usually the section to check first. Once you're in Settings, look to the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a navigation panel there with different settings categories. This side menu is what you'll use to move deeper into the correct section. In that left side menu, click on Workspace Domain. This is the area shown in the process, and it leads you toward the transfer option you need. Depending on your screen size, you may need to pause for a second and let the page fully load before the next option appears. After that, click on Transfer In. This is the control that begins the handoff process. Be careful here to select the transfer option exactly as shown, since nearby options may relate to different integrations or project configurations. Finally, transfer it to Cursor AI. At this stage, you'll complete the move from Lovable into Cursor AI using the transfer flow provided on screen. Once that's done, your project should be ready for you to continue working on in Cursor AI. And that's it. If you want a smoother experience, it's always a good idea to double check that you open the right project before starting the transfer. Follow those steps in order, and you should be able to move your Lovable project into Cursor AI without any confusion.